Channel. I just want to start off by thanking you guys so much for all the love and support on my first upload. I was really nervous to upload it, but you guys showed up and showed out like always. Thank you so much. So today I have a baby hair tutorial, which I'm super excited to share because I feel like it was super hard for me to find good products that actually worked for my baby hairs and didn't make my frontal lift up or didn't have crunchy edges, because that ain't cute. I really don't like crunchy edges. So I finally found the combination of two products that I absolutely love. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get straight into it. I just relaid my wig, so it's a fresh install. When laying baby hairs, the products that I always use are Got To Be Gel, which I completely love. It's the keeper, it's a must-have, especially when you wear wigs. And also Edge Booster. I talked about this in my last video when I laid my natural baby hairs, but this combination, bomb for baby hairs. So you'll need this, and you will need a baby hair brush and a razor. So first things first, I always start off with taking a little bit of Edge Booster and putting it on my hand, and just taking the baby hair brush, putting just a little bit on there, and swiping, brushing back all baby hairs and all the hair that is forward. So once that step is done, I take the small comb part of the baby hair brush. This one is by Red by Kiss. That's the name of the baby hair brush. You can get it at the beauty supply store. It has two combs and then a brush. I absolutely love this one. And what I do is I'll take a thin layer. If it's comfortable, I know there ain't no ceiling. So once I section out a thin layer of baby hairs, I'll kind of pull it straight down to see how they're looking. To me, this is just a little bit too thick for my liking. My bad. I also forgot to mention that you will need a pair of tweezers. So I'll bring the hair straight down, and like I said, it's a little too thick for me, so I'm just gonna go and thin some of the hairs out. So once that's done, I'm gonna take my razor and start to cut the baby hairs. You wanna do it at an angle and do a little bit at a time. Pull some down. Depending on how you like your baby hairs, is how long you should do them. I'm gonna probably do like a half an inch at that. So the shorter, the more natural they look, the longer, the more dramatic. So next, I'll take my Got To Be Gel and my Edge Booster and make a cocktail. I'll mix the two products together, and it legit makes like the perfect consistency, the perfect type of product. It doesn't make the baby hairs ashy or crunchy, and it's easy to work with, so you can swoop them. Okay, so take a little bit and just put it on the hair and get to swooping. For example, right here is too dramatic for me, so I'll just take a layer of the baby hairs and brush it right back into the hairline. And baby, I know you love that feeling. You love me and you mean it. You make me mean. You make special moments. Ooh, medium, so I'm gonna keep it like about right here, but I am gonna. What I love about this combination of products is that my baby hairs are not going anywhere, but it's not like it's crunchy, like they're soft still, which is important because who want crunchy baby hairs? So now time to move on to the other side. Same thing, take a thin layer.
Why would you leave this feeling? If it's comfortable, I know there ain't no ceiling. So girl, just give your hands to me. I'll show you.
So now that I have another thin layer, again, I'm going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to take my razor and cut them short. Half an inch.
And baby, I know you love that feeling. You love me and you mean it. You make me. You make special moments.
Just like that. These look a little still too long for me, so I'm going to take my scissors. And cut at an angle, girl, because if you do them straight across, like in this region, I did straight across, so it's a little tragic. So let's go back. Okay.
And baby, I know you love that feeling. You love me and you mean it. You make me. You make special moments. You think what I wanted. Y'all turn my headphones up. Baby, I know you like to beat it. Oh no, the feeling I have shown. If it's magical, why would you leave this feeling? If it's comfortable, I know there ain't no ceiling. So girl, just give your hands to me. I'll show you things. I'll make you feel.
And that was my baby hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all social media platforms. I will see you guys soon.